I CBA, so I'm not even talking. You want my ETA, I ain't left just yet, I'm stalling. Still gonna come through, shake that back, still gonna eat me up like Marlins. I just get paid, I'm boring. Nowadays I shoot, I'm scoring. How I'm feeling. This one onto me, I'm roasting.
Alex, bro.
Whoa! Make
Road tripping with the boys.
Wait.
Yeah, rev it. Road trip through Europe with the boys. Right now we are in Bulgaria, so that's where Alex is from. This is his Corvette. It's not a rental, he owns this Corvette. He bought it in Bulgaria, which is crazy. And right now we're in Bulgaria. We're traveling to Greece, so we're about to hit up Kavala, Greece. It's like a beach town, and it's gonna be a fun trip. What advice? Travis is a door-to-door legend. He made tons of money doing door-to-door. So what advice would you give to the guys that are working a job and they don't know what to do?
Well, are these guys in sales or are they just working a regular job?
No, they're not in sales yet.
Well, number one is you should learn sales, and the reason why you should learn sales is because it's a skill set you can always fall back on in any scenario. Like for me right now, I can go back to America and instantly make 10 or 20 grand just because I understand the skill of sales. But the meta point is you should always be spending your time focusing on learning high income skills, whether that's sales, whether that's marketing, whether that's personal branding. Why? Because when all else fails, you can always lean and fall back on that skill to generate cash.
Yeah.
So that'd be my number one piece of advice.
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley Paris. Speedboats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Ripping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby.
Back to Greece. I was here 4 days ago, and then I left to psyop them into coming back. That's the game.
Mission complete.
I should be getting a commission for that.
What a location to be. Make sure you get a perfect arc on this one. Jesus, that's a full bladder.
What the fuck are you doing, Tanner?
What do you mean?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm thinking of this one.
Is this where you should pee?
Why not?
Is that how you do it in the US?
What do you mean?
Are people just pissing next to the highway in the US?
Just a regular. Just a
Alex
regular
is also
Monday
doing
night.
it.
Oh, Alex in the corner. Thank you, sir,
Of course.
for letting me evacuate my bowels.
Of course this is how you do it in the US, bro.
Really?
What do you mean? This is strange
I
to you?
didn't imagine it like that. No, I think people here are doing it, those people there are not doing it.
And the weather.
We made it to Greece after a 5-hour drive from Bulgaria to Greece. We made it, and it's actually the next day after the road trip. We got here at like 11 p.m. last night, and we were all knocked out. So the villa here is insane, though. I'm about to show you guys the view. Bam! Got the balcony of my room with the view, the mountains, the water, the crystal clear water. Sheesh. It's a proper Euro trip with the boys. This is my first proper trip in Europe. So I've done Moldova and I've done Bulgaria in the winter of last year. Just, I don't even know why, just random spontaneous things I did when my friends were going there and I was just bored, so I think I just went there. But this is the first European summer trip that I've done, and if this doesn't motivate you to make money, I do not know what will. We're in Europe, we're in Greece, beautiful crystal clear waters, mountains, beautiful women from Europe, beautiful women from all over the world here. I'm giving a house tour. What do you have to say to the vlog, Evo?
Word of the day.
Word of the day?
Yeah. What is the word of the day? Guess it.
We already talked about this in this vlog.
Yeah, no, we're going to talk about it every single day.
Cash. Is that what you're focused on right now?
Yeah.
What are you working on?
Just building some client programs and posting the client wins. Check out, bro, like this is making my day. Client said, by the way, I'm getting compliments at work for the way I look. It's funny because I'm fully dressed, but people can tell.
That's the value of
Bro, that's
getting ripped,
what
bro.
I'm doing for the world. It's so fucking cool.
It's facts, huh?
Helping people is the shit.
It's the same with me when someone texts me and they say I made like $2,000 this week doing remote sales. Or they moved to Thailand, or they moved to, let's say, Guatemala or some other random country. It's always a beautiful feeling.
He wins. Woo! Is it your first time driving in Europe, bro? Think about it.
It is my first time driving in Europe, actually.
Oh!
We're experiencing first here. First time in the sea today.
Wait, Travis, film me a bit till you get it. Got to start in the Brokey Mobile,
We'll level up over time.
but we will not finish in the Brokey Mobile.
It's okay to start from the bottom, but to finish at the bottom is a shame.
Tanner, you need to go back to Miami and buy a car. It's time. It's the next level.
I'd rather be in Europe with the boys.
You can still play.
That's true. If you make enough, you can do anything.
Facts. Yeah, but the thing is, in Miami, you not only have to buy and have the car, but also you need to have a place to park it.
Yes.
So it's an extra.
It's like a $10K a month minimum you spend to have an apartment in a car in Miami. Basically.
Yeah. Wait, so where are we headed right now?
To hit legs.
Oh shit. Powered by Heroes.
The monthly leg day.
Yeah.
Travis,
the
where-
quarterly leg day.
Yeah.
Travis, where do you park your car in US?
I park it in my driveway. I know you guys don't have that in Bulgaria.
Do you park it in your mom's house, in your parents' house? Or where?
Oh, you mean my Audi?
Yeah.
It is in my friend's garage right now and is moving to another one of my friend's garages.
Yeah.
Have any,
How do I stop this thing?
Let me see what type of vibe we got. Yeah.
And the winner is Black Boy Max.
I went glacier, triple cut, we were patient. Ice, put it in Bottega. She know I got paper. Cash. Don't go big on none of my niggas, we all live major. We all got ice and chains on, but this not slavery. Rolls Royce got stars. Plat, boy, I got bars. Tattoo on my arm. With a bad bitch, no prom. May.
Way bigger than before? Yeah. That's the power of the creatine, boys. Right.
How would you rate the gyms in Greece?
Shit. But it's the best pump I've had in a while, so sometimes all you need is a shitty
1.5 for equipment, 10 pump.
Yeah, exactly. $6 daily pass.
$6 pump.
$6 pump, bro.
Hero pump.
I mean, $6 is still kind of like, for this gym probably, I don't know, how much is it? Isn't in America the same? Like $10?
At Boxer Gym, the day pass is like $100, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. At least here you don't have a bunch of fat feminine.
I just look first. How are you gonna feel that? Just lookก่อน.
She's just viewing the world through the camera. I know.
Say something.
Alex in trouble. Uh-oh. No sabai.
Cinematic shit, bro.
Whoa. Get nice up close to the booze.
Well, we should have just filmed. Like, every time we're talking like cool shit, we never film. And then
the camera comes out and then we just stop talking.
Yeah. Perfect timing. You should have just talked about the practice in LA and shit.
that's behind the scenes.
If only you knew what we talked about. If only you guys knew what we talked about behind the scenes. It's next level conversations. Trust.
You went to a Diddy party one time.
Kobe's hosts Diddy parties.
You're not even pointing at Alex. Unlimited Diddy parties in LA for Travis.
But what is it about these parties? Like, is it like what happened with this guy? Why he get canceled so much?
Like, he sued the Jews.
I mean, that's what happens when you fuck with the wrong people. You know, but I mean,
They always have to have something against
yeah, I
them.
mean, obviously the footage of what happened to him, it's been archived for 10 years. Like, everyone's known that he's done certain things years and years ago, but obviously they dropped the footage a decade later because he pissed some people off.
He opened
If you
some
didn't piss
lawsuits.
some people off, he wouldn't have dropped it. It's like the oldest freaking book.
He opened some lawsuits against some like powerful guys with alcohol companies, and then all this stuff came out like right after.
I can guarantee you there's like 30 to 40% of major celebrities in LA, they have an archive of blackmail footage against them. That if they piss the wrong people off, they can do the same thing they did to Diddy.
Against everyone, right?
What's that?
Against everyone.
Yeah, 100%.
How they even like get this footage? They invite them to like parties, they set them up or what?
I know, bro. You think that did the Diddy part?
I mean, there's no way.
Are you talking? I mean, for him specifically, there was like a video of him like meeting his girl in front of an elevator. It's like a hotel lobby, you know. But
And he got pushed under the rug when he was on their team.
oh yeah, when you're on the A team, it goes to the archives, and on the B team, it goes publicly online. Now he's on the B team.
Bueno.
I remember he was like heavily cancelled. He disappeared from the internet, and then the first time he shows up on the internet is on like a Wes Watson story. And you know, like Wes, he completely is like cut off the world. He have no idea what's going on. He doesn't even know Diddy is cancelled. So he just sees it. He's like, yo, I'm with my boy here. It's like, yeah. Because Wes had no idea what's going on. You know?
With Diddy?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Right when he got cancelled, Wes Watson like just shows up with him, and he was like, "Yeah, I'm here with my boy Diddy. What's up, bro?"
The only guy that would hang out with Diddy. Because
Yeah.
Didn't know.
He doesn't even know. And then I was remembered. Then Wes was also getting cancer, and then when he did that, it was even worse. I was like, he's just.
Bro, Wes Watson is always doing something to get canceled.
Yeah. He's always in the cancer.
Wait, I'm curious. What did you guys do like in high school in Bulgaria? Like, did you guys have parties? Did you guys
Like in the houses or not?
like in high school? Like, how did you guys like have fun? Like,
Yeah, we just go to the club. We don't have like these.
start them young, huh?
But the thing is, like, well, I was into like making money and shit since like 16, so I completely like kind of like missed this year. Like 16, I was just already grinding out there in my home. 17, 18, like I was already making money.
Like 3 to 5 a.m. once when you were 16 for fitness.
Yeah. And then like I kind of like stopped clubbing at like 16, 17. I was like,
Early retirement.
yeah.
You live or thank you. Until you absolutely rail test off.
I mean, yeah, I'm sure it's the same in Greece. Like now, if we go to the club, like you're gonna see so many kids. Like because here is like in the culture, I don't know, they just start giving us alcohol at like 13, 14. And like when you go to like a family dinner, like your father just gives you alcohol at like 14. So it's like you just start partying and drinking like a normal person at like 15, 16.
It's way smarter to do it.
I think my father gave me my first alcohol when I was like 16 or 17.
Your dad's a G. But you just told me about him. He sounds like a legend.
Yeah.
What?
25, 26.
Okay.
How much would you rate the dinner, bro?
It was so good, bro. The white wine, the juicy steak.
The 10 out of 10 company. Of
Oh,
course.
it declined.
I see.
That's good, yeah.
No Amex agrees.
Declined, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No more money.
Not today.
We're on a budget.
Today, another day.
Dinner's on the house.
Same shit every day.
Dinner's on the house.
What a nice guy.
Appreciate you comping the dinner on that. You're a legend for that.
Who's this in the background?
I don't know, but the dinner is for free.
Made it to the center of Kavala. No one works here, no one does anything. They just drink coffee and smoke cigarettes, that's it. So now we're going to a club. Or we're going to a bar to see the vibe. Then we're going to a club maybe.
Run some loose.
Some two-man loose game. Describe loose for the audience, bro.
They're just gonna have to see for themselves.
They're gonna see.
It's uncharted waters. Uncharted territory, ladies and gentlemen.
What do you think will happen, Alex?
I mean, I'm not gonna come, but we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna.
He says that now.
Bro, those glasses are indicating you're coming.
Oh.
But he was waiting.
Well, he says he's not coming as he's walking through the location.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, imagine we can flex on this entire city right now.
Oh, I know they're talking shit until Alex pulls up to the club and starts flexing on all of them.
I don't know. It's just sort of like, what do you think about?
What do you think about what?
Are they like Greece people? How are they?
I mean, this is Greece. So.
Are they Greece people?
How do you call them? Like somebody
if I'm
from
a
Greece?
betting man, these people are Greece.
What's the racial slur
Like,
for
no,
Greeks?
like let's say if somebody is from like Italy, you're gonna call him like Italian. Like how?
Greek.
Greek?
Oh, no way you don't know that.
Yeah. Like, do you like them over as a people? What would you say?
I mean,
We're still testing.
yeah, so far they've been pretty nice.
I mean, your country is way closer to them than ours. Don't you have some in your country?
Somewhat. Yes, somewhat.
Greeks.
No. I don't know why they never come because
Oh, I
like,
wonder
don't
why.
really like each other that much.
Oh, really? You guys are rivals.
They're like us, but richer. So we like
Ah,
hate each other.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it was
Who's
hilarious
better,
seeing
eh?
the difference of road quality instantly
Yeah.
after passing the border.
As soon as we crossed the border, it was actual smooth roads.
We knew we were in Greece.
Yeah. Or at least we knew we exited Bulgaria.
Yeah.
All right, boys.
The DJI's out.
We made it, and we hear music.
We're currently en route to the landing zone. I can sense the presence of some hoes. They're lurking.
Your chi is coming.
I sense the hose. We're gonna do the mating call.
Is that the peck popper?
Hit him with a peck pop.
Yeah. This is the entrance.
This is definitely one of the most niche down cities that I've conquered in Europe.
That's an accomplishment.
Oh yeah. Even big city.
So basically, guys, all I did was I learned how to sell online, and now in a random summer I find myself in a random Greek city on the seaside in some random Greek city that no one knows about. There's two hot chicks walking towards me, and we're about to hit a club full of chicks. Start learning the game, boys. Cheers, guys. Got some watermelon. I'm just chilling at the villa alone right now, looking at this insane view, getting a little bit of work done. Just edited another video, took a couple calls, had a call with my team, and yeah, we're basically going to another Greek city. We're gonna drive like 6 hours and go on a road trip. And if you guys do want to live a life like this where you have complete freedom, you make money completely remotely from your laptop just by learning a valuable skill, watch this video right here. I break down the 3-step process that I used, as well as a lot of my students have used, to go from scratch 9 to 5, or even working a sales job, to making $10,000 a month online completely remotely and having complete freedom. So watch this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.